Leslie Smith. I'm just about to turn 50. I've been coming to Gemma to have this hair system done for nearly 3 years now. I started to lose my hair, or it started to go really thin after I had my first child at 22. And then after the next child again at 27, it just got exponentially worse again, to the point where I was kind of forced into going to look for some kind of hair replacement. The biggest benefit is that I can style it however I want. I can curl it, colour it, just as you would your own hair, wear it up or down just as you would with your own hair, and it's probably better than any hair I could have grown in the beginning. It's thick, it's luscious, and it's replaceable, and it's at a really good price, and Gemma is willing to work with you on whatever style you want, whatever colours you want. You've just got unlimited choice, and it's just amazing.